watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to our video on modern and minimalist Christmas wreath ideas. This year, why not embrace the beauty of simplicity in your holiday decor? Modern wreaths focus on clean lines, fresh greenery, and understated elegance, creating a sophisticated yet festive atmosphere. Whether you're a fan of sleek designs or natural elements, we've curated some incredible ideas to inspire you. Let's dive in. Modern evergreen and eucalyptus wreath. A classic yet contemporary design featuring evergreens, eucalyptus, and berries. This timeless option is perfect for adding subtle charm to your home. Boxwood wreath with striped ribbon. A lush boxwood wreath paired with a bold striped ribbon makes for a striking piece that complements various decor styles. Pale greenery and bold red bough wreath. Pale greenery with a vibrant red bough creates a fresh and cheerful statement for your holiday decor. Greenery and white berry wreath with neutral silk bough. This wreath combines greenery and white berries with a silk bough for a neutral, elegant look that works in any space. Evergreens and red ribbon bough wreath. Simple yet festive, this wreath uses evergreens, leaves, and a red ribbon bough to add a laconic touch of holiday spirit. Dried eucalyptus with gold ornaments wreath. A chic combination of dried eucalyptus and gold ornaments, finished with a ribbon bough, offers a stylish and eye-catching decor idea. Asymmetrical greenery wreath. Greenery arranged on one side of a wreath frame, accented with a white ribbon bough, creates a modern, minimalist statement. Embroidery hoop wreath with eucalyptus. This creative wreath uses an embroidery hoop, eucalyptus, and yarn with custom letters for a personalized and modern touch. White pom-pom wreath with bottle brush trees. Soft white pom-poms, tiny bottle brush trees, and a small house make this wreath a playful and cozy addition to your decor. Blushed and rustic bottle brush wreath. A delicate pom-pom wreath with blush-colored bottle brush trees, a mini house, and a mauve bough for a soft, rustic look. Geometric greenery and pine cone wreath. A geometric frame adorned with greenery and pine cones adds a modern and stylish twist to traditional holiday decor. Gold wreath with private berries. A gold hoop wreath with private berries and eucalyptus doubles as decor and a centerpiece for minimalist spaces. Colorful houses and evergreens wreath. This jaw-dropping design combines evergreens, colorful miniature houses, and bottle brush trees for a whimsical holiday vibe. Shiny copper wreath. A wreath made of shiny copper material offers a sleek and modern way to add warmth and sparkle to your home. Light string wreath. Wrap a simple wreath form with string lights to make your front door or wall glow with a welcoming holiday ambience. Lush greenery and white blooms wreath. Full greenery with touches of white blooms, pine cones, and a peachy pink bough creates a lush, feminine wreath. Black minimalist wreath. A sleek black wreath with an evergreen branch, a black bell, and a leather loop exudes modern sophistication. Triangle-shaped olive branch wreath. A unique triangular design with olive branches and a green ribbon bough offers a minimalist yet festive look. Embroidery hoop with white ornaments. A modern wreath with evergreens, an embroidery hoop, and white geometric ornaments is perfect for clean, minimalist decor. Bark star and glitter ornament wreath. A creative piece featuring evergreens, a rustic bark star, and a glittery green ornament to celebrate the season in style. hope these modern and minimalist Christmas wreath ideas have inspired you to try something fresh and stylish this holiday season. From sleek designs to natural touches, there's a wreath for every taste. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday decor ideas. Thanks for watching and happy decorating!